Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Active Directory from a Windows VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Active Directory from a Windows VPS, start by ensuring you have administrative access to the Windows VPS. Open the Remote Desktop Connection application on your local machine. Enter the VPS IP address and click Connect. When prompted, enter your credentials and click OK to log in. Once logged in, open the Start menu and type Server Manager. Select Server Manager from the search results. In Server Manager, navigate to the Local Servers section. Confirm that the computer name and domain are visible. If your VPS is not part of a domain, you will need to join it first. Right-click on this PC on the desktop and select Properties. Click on Change Settings next to the computer name. In the System Properties window, click on Change. Select Domain and enter the domain name of your Active Directory. Click OK to proceed. You will be prompted to enter credentials with permission to join the domain. Provide the necessary credentials and press OK. After the successful domain join, you will be prompted to restart the machine. Choose Restart Now to complete the process. Once your VPS restarts, sign in with the domain account to verify authentication. Now, open the command prompt as an administrator. Type kwami/user and press Enter to confirm your user information. Next, execute the command ltest/domain_trusts to verify the domain trust status. If necessary, test your Active Directory connection with ping commands targeting your domain controllers. You may also consider installing any required management tools for AD through the Server Manager. Once all tools are installed, you can manage and authenticate with Active Directory directly from your VPS. Ensure to keep your system updated for optimal security and performance. Now, you have successfully authenticated to Active Directory from your Windows VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.